Hi everybody, welcome along. Thursday night, London. First time I brought the Aprilia into central London. Testing it out for the first time in proper commuting conditions. So yeah, absolutely no problem with this bike, even in the most crazy of traffic environments. So it holds itself really well at low speeds. Obviously I'm mostly doing like first, second, third gear work. Whilst I'm navigating these streets. Got to be so careful around here. So yeah, filtering, absolutely no problem. The bike's really thin, it's lightweight, it's nimble. You just got to get in and out of everything. Really quick to just duck into little gaps. A lot of you probably think this kind of riding is crazy. It is, but it's just how we do it in London. Otherwise you're not going to get anywhere if you don't push through. Thursdays is generally a bit more busy in central London as well. A lot of people going out. So it's definitely a head turner, this bike. You get a lot of looks from people. Didn't even mean to use the horn then, but it paid off. Pedestrians just walk out on green lights. Brakes are really good. You've got to be on them the whole time. Hopefully there's no protest going on up here. So yeah, one thing I have noticed with the bike is, I've mentioned before, the engine does run hot. So with your kind of legs and feet near the engine block, I have noticed today the heat coming from it. It's the first time I've noticed it when I'm, you know, kind of sat in traffic like this. You tend to find the engine can get quite hot. It was registering 105 degrees for oil temp this morning when I came in. It's 88 at the moment, but the you know, I've only been riding it 10 minutes, so it will get hotter. Nothing to worry about though. It just I was a little bit worried because you're putting a cover over the bike, the cover's touching the clutch casing or the alternator casing. Is it going to melt it melt my cover? But it didn't. I let the bike cool down for like 15 minutes before I put the cover on it, and it was fine. So happy days there. So yeah, nothing but good things to report so far. And my petrol lights on. Need to stop off and get some gas. Do that at some point. Telling me I've got 25 miles worth of petrol left. I doubt that very much. So yeah, just as you can see here, just nipping in these gaps. Bike slips through nicely. There's a guy on a cruiser bike behind me. He's struggling. So this is definitely a sort of bike for town. So yeah, I hope to be bringing you more content on this bike. And do like and subscribe. Channel's slowly growing. Hopefully I'll get to ride some new bikes soon as well. I'll just test ride and demo some ones that are out there, just so people get an idea of what my opinions are on various stuff. But for now, have a great one. I'll see you soon.
No time to think. No time to think. No time to think. Lost my wife and my wallet down in Mexico. Lost my dog and my eye and a bunch of love. Have to run.